Good morning. I don't know. Yeah. So today I'm back with another review of Scratch. Not a review. And how to make a clicker game in Scratch. I'll just throw this down. I just took this ball. And yeah, this ball. And I just made a variables. I just made a variable called score. You can just make variable and type whatever you want. And you can just set it. Done. Now we don't really need this variable. Score is what we need. It's gonna set the score whenever we click. Or pretty much I'll delete it because I didn't yet even start. So let's quickly start. I'm wasting 1 minute. I wasted almost 1 minute. What we're gonna put is a flag. This means that when we click a flag, and this video is gonna be continuing in parts. So today I'm making a video where in how to make a click a game in Scratch part 1 for beginners. It's very easy, so let's continue. So what do we want it to do? Something like if we put it there, that's gonna be a problem. So we want it to be here. So what we can do is go to the motions, and when flag clicked, it's gonna go there. Means whenever we put it there, still it went there. Okay, so now we want it to be a clicker game. So when we click, we earn points. So yeah, what should I do? I should add in a block called when sprite click. Means when this ball sprite is clicked, it is supposed to do so whatever. For part 1, I'm just gonna be making this simple thing. And stay tuned for part 2 where I'm gonna be making a uh, a button like effect. It's gonna shrink, become big, yeah, something like that. So yeah, I made this variable right now when I was talking named score. So what do we want to do? When sprite click, change score by 1. Okay, then if we put it in this forever loop, it's never gonna end. So what we need is we will need a forever loop for the next stuff and change score by 1. So we'll just throw it afterwards because the next stuff is coming in the next part. So yes, this is change score by 1. And remember, this is only for newcomers to Scratch. And I'll just tell you a thing. You should not click this thingy, cloud variable. So that otherwise someone clicks and yours will like boom happen. Change score by 1. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I am going to be changing score when the sprite is clicked. So let's test it out. Wow, but our score isn't going back to 0 when we click the flag. That's a problem. I'll just put the forever because it's ending so quick. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, if we click, look at this. The score is changing. It is perfect, but it's not going to 0. So what we can do is go to a variable and the blocks in the variable. We can take the set score to 0. Means when flag is clicked, it will go to its position and it's gonna set automatically its score to 0. So just take a look. Wow, and I'll click it. So it's automatically setting when we click the flag. And this is program when sprite is clicked. Wow, change score by 1. So I'll say this is the end of the video. Stay tuned for part 2. I'm making small videos for a purpose. So there'll be totally 3 parts And if you want me to make more of these videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for part 2.